start streaming. Yeah, I hope the stream has started now. Okay. Uh, First of all, let's look at the yesterday's problem where we have solved it. Yesterday we have solved till print list numbers in reverse order. Let's open the notes of that series. So level 6 we have completed fully list-based problems. Now we are entering into level 7 logic building and real life style problems. So check whether a number is check whether a number is prime or not. Print all numbers between 1 and 50. Print Fibonacci series up to n numbers. Find count of digits in a number. You need to find sum of digits in a number. So level 7 is real life style problems. Level 8. Print bill amount for items in a cart. Print bill amount for items in a cart. Display marks and grades for students. Print table of a number. Count how many times a word appears in a sentence. So you need to solve nearly 9 questions. So like solve with in a controlled and slow phase. So here are given the 5 questions I have given here. So what you have to do is initially just dry run the logic entirely, trace the program entirely on the paper. Then you can enter into the like type in the website and without or else you can use a normal text editor to write their code. Then you can if you want you can open the autumn which will tell you what to do. So I hope this is more sufficient now. So okay, so let's go and solve it. So or else we can use the markdown here. So instead of writing here, you can use the markdown here itself. Yes. So now let's go and trace the program initially on the using pen and paper. So let me write it. Check whether a number is prime or check whether a number is prime. So 31 problem, right? 31st. So you need to check whether a number is prime. First of all, to solve this problem, I need to know what is the required thing. I need to know what is a prime number. If I know what is a prime number, then I can build a logic using loops, conditions, and different operators, and it tell whether it's a number. If it's a check whether if it's a prime number, then you should print it as prime. If it's not a prime number, you should print or return as um, not a prime. So this is the thing. Prime number. First of all, let's go think about what is a prime number. Prime number is a number which is divisible by only one and its number. Hmm. A prime number is a number that is divisible by only one and its number. So this is a prime number. So to write this as a prime number, now what we need? Now we need to just check. If you want to just check the prime number, you should just use the while loop. Why you should do by while loop? We don't know how many times we need to run the condition. Only when you know how many times to run a loop, then you can use for loop. Or else you don't know how many times when the loops to terminate. That time you don't know what's exactly happening. So if you want, you can just go to the while loop, or else you can just day 9. So while loop repeats the block as long as the condition is true. So so when the condition become true, so when it's a prime number, then it should come out. Just check whether it's a prime number. As long as the condition is true, it's keep on executing. So I will think initially is prime. I will take one variable is prime is equal to, so every number I will take it as a prime number itself. Yeah, then I will use a for loop. What I will do, I will not even use a for loop. I will just use number while number is greater than or equal to 2. So while greater than, mm, okay, is greater than or equal to 2. So that time what I will do, n is equal to, so I will take 123. So I will take n is greater than or equal to 2. That time when this loop happens, is prime is equal to, if is greater than or equal to. So what's the main condition? It should be divisible by its number. So if n mod of is divisible by 1, 0 and n mod of n, it's divisible by its own number, it's divisible by 1, then print it as prime, or else you don't print it as prime, else print not prime, else print not prime. So this is the thing. So let's now trace the code how it will be working, and we'll take the code exactly. So now let's trace this code. I just want to trace this. Okay, trace it. And what we can do is, yeah. So I will write the code again. Each prime is equal to true. Initially, I will take the prime as false itself. False itself. Then I will take one number, initialize the value 1, 2, 3. While in make each prime as true, and print print is prime print it is prime number, else print not prime number. So then now I will enter some program. 1, 2, 3 greater than or equal to 2. 1, 2, 3 mod of 1 is equal to 0. 1, 2, 3 mod of 1, 2, 3 is equal to 0. So 1, 2, 3 mod of 1. So what, it will not get the reminder. So it's not a prime number. So at that time it becomes a prime number. So it directly prints. Now just execute let's execute what we are thinking. And yeah, I think the variable also is not required. You just, what's the use of that variable? You are like adding the line of code. While n greater than or equal to 2, if n mod 1 is equal to 0 and n mod n is equal to 0, then print prime number, else print not prime number. Yeah, when will it break? You need to once. So you have given a program, nice, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, it's keep on going. Like there is no end to this. We should print a prime number and come break. Mm, we should come out of the loop and mm, yeah, I will just that's the thing. There is a problem with this code. Okay, now just find out what's the problem. Okay, we have done it very nice. So you have attempted the problem at least, like in which way you have done it. Uh, you need to know. Let's try using this for loop program. So now let's give an attempt using for. You have tried using, that's a great attempt without even just so knowing the definition. You have done this. Actually, it's a great thing. But you just try this with for loop, then you can again you can do that. No need to worry that you didn't get the goal. So let's return back. So now the thing is clear. So let's go and try it. Mm, okay, like I would like to stop the stream here.